So in today's video we can see this is a cloud, this is a sun, or this is a raindrops falling. So we have created this symbol, that is sun behind a rain cloud. So we have created this symbol sun behind the rain cloud. So how to create this symbol in your computer? You have created this in Microsoft Word. So how to create this symbol in your MS Office Word is shown in this video. For doing this, you must remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 12778. I'll show you how to create this. For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard, and if this is the number lock, you must press and enable the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 127782. After typing 127782, you can release your finger from this Alt, and you can see this symbol have been arrived. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.